All right, so today we're gonna do a quick video on how to flip up your hair in the front, especially if it's longer like this. So what I would do is I would take a little bit of tidal wave. You can do this while the hair is dry, even if you want, or you can do it while it's wet and do the whole process of blow drying it with the brush, flipping it up. But let's just do a quick fix. Say your hair is super flat like this, and you want to get it to flip up. So take some tidal wave here. You can get this at shop.thesalonguy.com. Give it a little bit of a shake. And what I like doing is doing one spritz on the top, then take your hair back all the way like this. 1, 2 spritzes. That's it. All right? Then what you're going to do is you're going to work the product in like so. You're going to work it, and you're going to start to feel that texture and that light kind of sea salt feeling absorb into the hair. And then what you're going to do, once this is all absorbed into the hair, you're going to see it's soaking up any oils, so it's acting almost like a dry shampoo. And then what you're going to do is work the hair down like this, and then within seconds, there you go, the hair is flipped up in front. You can take it, give it a little bit of a swirl, and then move it and mold it into place. And then there you go. Now you've got a nice flip up hairstyle in the front. It took seconds to do. You can do it to your liking, and obviously it's a bit longer than normal. Check it out. This is something that is a very popular trending hairstyle. Again, you can do this in seconds. With the hair being longer, you know, it's gonna get a little bit flatter sometimes, but that's how you go about doing it. And then you gotta work the shape in. But if you are looking for any sorts of flips, then there we go, right in the front, just like that.